Hello and welcome to another Dragon 32 video. In my last video you just seen this joystick connector here. Now what this is doing is taking a standard Atari type joystick and turning it into the type of input that a Dragon 32 or TRS 80 I believe will accept. So it's turning it into analog type signals. So as you can see, this isn't the prettiest thing in the world. This is only for one port and it works, which I was really happy with. As you can see, I've used massive resistors there because they were cheapest ones I could find. This simple breakout cable here and all this extra wiring, which is not necessary, but whilst I was just putting this little project together, I was just making it easy for myself for identification. I'm going to wrap this up and put it in a little project box, and that'll be the end of that. But along the way when I was doing this, I mentioned this to my good friend Sarge, who also goes by the forum name of SilverFox0786. I'll put his details in the link below because what he's actually done is made something that is absolutely incredible for Dragon 32 and for TRS 80 users, is this. The Dragon 32, 64 and CoCo Atari 9-pin D-sub dual, one player, two player, absolutely incredible. So what this is doing on one PCB is taking the two joysticks and it's turning them into analog signals. So what I've got here, it's a standard SUSE joystick with Atari inputs. Taking it in here, and look, it just goes straight to the DIN plug. A little bit dark, but you can see it goes straight to the Dragon 32 here. So just a quick demonstration of this, just to show you it working. So I've got a game up on here at the moment, which is Grid Runner again. So if I just start a game, pressing the key to start, so I've used the joystick to start. I'm doing this one-handed, but you can see on that little character bottom right-hand side, I'm using the fire button. So that's them moving around, up, down, left, right, working perfectly, and I've also tested the other ports. So let's have another look at this PCB again. All nicely lined up, so this is one user port here, so going in a straight line through the cable into the computer, and the second one here. So I've tested both ports, they work absolutely perfectly. So what I'll do, I'll put a link in the notes where you can contact SilverFox0786. I've got his email address, you can make contact directly and see if these are available. I know he's got a couple available right now, so if you contact him, I'm sure it'll be very quick for you to get one of these. So I'll just have a quick look at the underside of the board so you can see how neat this is. Now when I was researching this, all I could see was a link online, which I'll also put if you want to make your own, which was a design that was placed so people could make their own. And when I was discussing with Sarge, gentleman who made this, not many people have the confidence to make something like this. Now, a couple of years ago I wouldn't have, but I've knocked this together, and I suppose some people will laugh when they see this. Huge resistors and all these cables, but you know, I'm quite chuffed that I put it together and it works. But it's definitely been taken one step further with this. And there's quite a few people out there that I saw comments when they were posting on the website that was showing the diagram to put this together, asking if it could be made. Well, now it is. It works. So it's freely available if you want to contact on the email and the link below. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.